Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
US satellite operator Viasat's bid for British satellite telecommunications company Inmarsat will need EU antitrust approval before it can be completed, the European Commission said. Viasat, in November last year, announced the bid in a deal valued at $7.3 billion in cash, stock and an assumption of debt. European Bitcoin-only investment app Relay has upgraded its network to enable instant single European payment area payments around the clock, according to a release. The euro nursed losses after its sharpest drop in 2 weeks as a cut in Russian gas supply sent energy prices soaring, while the Australian dollar dipped with relief that inflation was not as hot as some investors had bet. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 2.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the gold gain 0.4% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The US gross domestic product annualized will be released at 12:30 GMT. Australia's export price index at 0130 GMT. The US gross domestic product price index at 12:30 GMT. Australia's retail sales will be released at 0130 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 2330 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate at 0900 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.